Hi, in this video, I will show you how to enable touch pointer or show taps in your phones. This is very helpful, especially in screen recording where you wanted to show where you tap or click. But before that, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. First, go to your settings, click About Phone, then tap All Specs, find MIUI version, or in some phones, find build number, and click it 7 times or until it appears you are now a developer. Then, go back to main page of your settings, find and tap Additional Settings, click Developer Options, scroll until you find Show Taps or Show Touches and tap to enable. You can disable it by tapping the button again. The touch pointer or show taps is now enabled and your taps and touches will be visible in your screen. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if this video helped you.